For some, it's only a dream of owning and driving one of the world's legendary sports cars, the Porsche 911. The 911 is the legacy of over 40 years of development and racing. Today, it's a car that has few equals in design, performance, and pure driving pleasure. The origins of the Porsche 911 can be traced back beyond World War II. In the early 30s, Dr. Ferdinand Porsche, racing driver and engineer, established his own freelance automotive design company in Germany. Porsche had already designed cars for Daimler and Mercedes-Benz, but his own idea was far removed from the traditional limousines that only the rich could afford. Porsche's car would be cheap enough for working-class people to buy. Adolf Hitler also wanted to build a people's car, or Volkswagen. He met with Porsche, and they decided on specifications for the new vehicle. The German automobile companies wanted to avoid competition. They refused to cooperate with Porsche, and Hitler decided to nationalize the project, with the money coming from the state-sponsored German Labor Front. Hitler insisted that the car be cheap, economical, and easy to repair. It should also accommodate a family of 4 or 5 and be able to cruise at 60 miles an hour on his new autobahns.